I wake up early in the morning.
I wake up early in the morning. I make my bed neatly.
I make my bed neatly.
I wash my face with cold water.
I brush my teeth after waking up.
I brush my teeth after waking up.
I take a shower to feel fresh.
I take a shower to feel fresh.
I dry myself with a towel.
I dry myself with a towel.
I get dressed in my school uniform.
I get dressed in my school uniform.
I wear my shoes before leaving my room.
I wear my shoes before leaving my room.
I eat a healthy breakfast with my family.
I eat a healthy breakfast with my family.
I drink a glass of milk.
I drink a glass of milk.
I pack my school bag.
I pack my school bag.
I say goodbye to my parents.
I say goodbye to my parents.
I walk to the bus stop.
I walk to the bus stop.
I greet my teachers and classmates.
I greet my teachers and classmates.
I go to my classroom and sit at my desk.
I go to my classroom and sit at my desk.
I take out my books and notebooks.
I take out my books and notebooks.
I prepare for the first lesson of the day.
I prepare for the first lesson of the day.
I listen carefully to my teacher.
I listen carefully to my teacher.
I take notes during class.
I take notes during class.
I participate in class discussions.
I participate in class discussions.
I complete my classwork on time.
I complete my classwork on time.
I go to the cafeteria for lunch.
I go to the cafeteria for lunch.
I drink juice or water during lunch.
I drink juice or water during lunch.
I clean up my table after eating.
I clean up my table after eating.
I focus on my afternoon lessons.
I focus on my afternoon lessons.
I finish my assignments before leaving school.
I finish my assignments before leaving school.
I wait for the school bus.
I wait for the school bus.
I take the bus back home.
I take the bus back home.
I greet my family when I arrive home.
I greet my family when I arrive home.
I change into comfortable clothes.
I change into comfortable clothes.
I rest for a while before doing homework.
I rest for a while before doing homework.
I check my phone for notifications.
I check my phone for notifications.
I complete my homework carefully.
I complete my homework carefully.
I help my parents with household chores.
I help my parents with household chores.
I organize my school bag for the next day.
I organize my school bag for the next day.
I take a short nap if I am tired.
I take a short nap if I am tired.
I play outside with my friends.
I play outside with my friends.
I ride my bicycle around the neighborhood.
I ride my bicycle around the neighborhood.
I practice my favorite sport.
I practice my favorite sport.
I water the plants in the garden.
I water the plants in the garden.
I help my mother in the kitchen.
I help my mother in the kitchen.
I set the table for dinner.
I set the table for dinner.
I feed my pet dog/cat.
I feed my pet dog/cat.
I watch TV for some time.
I watch TV for some time.
I check social media for updates.
I check social media for updates.
I call my best friend to chat.
I call my best friend to chat.
I work on my hobby in my free time.
I work on my hobby in my free time.
I do yoga to relax my mind.
I do yoga to relax my mind.
I go shopping with my family.
I go shopping with my family.
I visit my grandparents on weekends.
I visit my grandparents on weekends.
I help clear the table after dinner.
I help clear the table after dinner.
I checked my phone one last time.
I checked my phone one last time.
I read a book before sleeping.
I read a book before sleeping.
I say my prayers before bed.
I say my prayers before bed.
I set my alarm for the next day.
I set my alarm for the next day.
I turn off the lights in my room.
I turn off the lights in my room.
I close my bedroom door for privacy.
I close my bedroom door for privacy.
I think about my plans for tomorrow.
I think about my plans for tomorrow.
I talk to my siblings before sleeping.
I talk to my siblings before sleeping.
I write in my journal at night.
I write in my journal at night.
I cuddle with my pet before sleeping.
I cuddle with my pet before sleeping.
I sometimes have dreams while sleeping.
I sometimes have dreams while sleeping.
I wake up feeling refreshed in the morning.
I wake up feeling refreshed in the morning.
I start my routine all over again the next day.
I start my routine all over again the next day.
I start my routine all over again the next day.